Welcome to Ancient and Dominions World of Learning. Today we'll learn about oceans. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Today we learn about what is marine life and what is mean by Pacific. What is Pacific Ocean? So let's start. A rich variety of plants and animals are found in this ocean. Together, they are called marine life. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It covers about 30% of the world. It separates the two Americas from Asia and Australia. Some of the world's most active and dormant volcanoes are found in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. Thank you, friends. See you next video.